Good morning, Miguel.
Yeah, I guess you could say that. Did you do what I asked you to?
What was that again?
Get the code uploaded to the suit.
Of course I did.
Did it go well?
It went as planned. The code is 100% uploaded.
Great. Well, Lila, I think it's finally time for us to finish the suit. I'll go get the other half. Alright, this is the fit. I don't know how well you can see it, but I think it looks great, guys. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a video that was supposed to be uploaded quite a long time ago. Not like super long time ago, but a decent long time ago. Well, as you can see from the beginning of this video, it was the update on this beauty. I finally got it done. Well, mostly. I still need to warp this so that it fully is able to attach to the magnets there, which I'm having such a hard time with because the hot glue didn't stick, so I needed to get my CA glue and re-glue everything. But this one still needs to be re-glued. But yeah, as you can see here, it lifts off of it, so I just need to warp that. This side's pretty good. Don't know how well you can see it. Yeah, I'm really happy with the way it turned out. It's really nice. I love the blue paint on it, and I love how the red contrasts with the blue, and I just love the way that it sparkles. Just look at that. Anyways, the helmet wasn't the only part of this project, and I just put myself in the okay. I still need to figure out what I want to do on the inside of this. I want to make it somewhat cosmetic, I think is the right word, and more comfortable, like added padding and stuff like that. But then we also have the cuffs that go on the arm. This one is the better one because it was painted better. Like, I had put a coat of filler primer on, so it made it darker. The only problem is I taped it badly. You can see those marks there. It does have those lines that are broken, which really sucks. What are you gonna do about it though? This one is not as good, although it is the one that I'm gonna add the Apple Watch to, which I found out is a little small, but I think I can work around that. And it also has the SD card holder, which I didn't need that many SD card slots in there. There's like 9 of them in there. I don't need 9 of them. But because I didn't paint first coat of filler primer on this, you can see through it, opposed to where you can't. So if there's a lesson in this, add a base coat of a dark color if you don't want it to be see-through. I printed this in white, so everything is just crystal. It's like a window. But yeah, that's the rest of this video, and I'm really happy with the way it turned out. My next project is my Cyclops visor that's sitting right here next to me. Okay, I can't show you too much of it because I'm not done with it, and I need to make a video off of it, hopefully. That's all I gotta say. Until next time.